You're known for railing against corruption ever since you came into the spotlight in the 80s. How does that reputation square with your teaming up with a member of the family that is still fighting so many allegations of corruption?
Who is this person?
Bongbong Marcos.
Wala namang aligasyon na siya mismo gumawa ng sala laban sa kapwa Pilipino niyan. So, I have no basis for condemning him. What about the father? Then, we are going against the Bible that says, the sins of the father should not be visited upon the children. And I am a church-going Catholic. So, if he has done anything wrong, my recommendation is a formal allegation or complaint must be filed in court or before the fiscal and then before the court so that we will see if there is any basis at all. Wala naman akong alam na krimen na ginawa niya. Pagkatanda ko, mga litrato ng martial law, pinapakita si Bongbong, maliit pa lang siyang bata. Kasama niya yung magulang niya. Kaya dapat siguro, bigyan naman din siya ng pagkakataon dahil nanalo na siyang senador. Nanalo pala siya noon. Ibig sabihin, ang greater majority who were sufficient to elect him to office did not have any objection to his holding public office. This man is trying to redeem himself. Let's give him a chance. And if the other side turns out to be the case, that this man is guilty of something that is not sanctioned by our law or by our theology, then let us take the proper steps to ensure that he is punished accordingly. But we cannot punish on the basis of suspicion. That would not be fair, and I cannot accept it as a lawyer.